Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is Google My Business Listing. Well, Google My Business Listing is a free tool developed by Google, and it provides you an opportunity to list your business online on the internet without any website, right? uh, by using Google My Business Listing, you can build credibility among your customers or like prospect customers that you are available on internet, right? They can get directions using your business listing. They can know about your business, and also they can know about your working hours, and they can directly call you. So you can create a free listing of your business on Google, and that Google My Business Listing would be displayed in Google search results and Google Maps, so that your customer or your probable customer can reach to you by following the directions. This is Google My Business Listing platform, right? Using this platform you can manage your business locations, right? If you are running multiple business, then you can create multiple business profiles using this Google My Business Listing platform, right? And it is completely free. As you can see on my screen, if somebody searches for restaurants in whatever the city, right, then a local pack is displayed on the Google in the first position. Apart from that, after local pack, websites are displayed. Like, now if we talk about the local pack, then in local pack various businesses are displayed, and these businesses comes from Google My Business Listing, right? If you want your business to be displayed here for your niche related keywords, then you should create a Google My Business Listing profile. Then only Google will display your business in the search results, right, in your local area. Now if somebody is searching for restaurant, then obviously he or she is going to search this kind of keyword, and whenever they search for these kind of keywords, right, then lots of Google My Business profiles get displayed that are nearby to that particular user, right? If we click on more places, then you can see lots of restaurants are there, right? And if we click on any Google listing, then it gives us these details. We can get direction for this restaurant as a customer, right? We can also save this location, we can also share this location with our friends, we can call this business directly, right? And here is the overview, here is the business description about this particular business, and here we get address of this business. So if in case we want to reach to this address, then we can directly reach following this address. We can call them. Here are the working hours, right? Hours, whether this particular business is open right now or closed, right? And we can get about the timing information from here. Apart from that, like popular times are also mentioned about this business. We can check the menu as well, and we can check the reviews as well, like what people are saying about this business. So your Google My Business listing will appear over here in the search result in the local pack, right? And people can follow towards your business, right? Apart from that, your business would also be displayed in the Google Maps. Coming to the maps, here you can see, if I search for any keyword related to restaurant, if I am willing to go to a restaurant, then probably if I am new to this city, then I am going to search this kind of keyword on Google Maps, and it will showcase me all the restaurants available here in the maps, right? And here the Google My Business listing is getting displayed, so I can simply click on this and then can reach to that particular business, right? So this is showing me that I can get direction towards this business, right? And whether this business is LGBTQ friendly or not, what is the mobile number if I want to reach to them. So it is showing me these things, right? And same for the another businesses as well. let us search for like schools. Then also like Google My Business listings are displayed on the top, and then it follows the website search results. So we are over here. Let us go back to the alls. So this is the local pack section where your business listing would appear, and then websites would follow in the search results, right? Now I think that it's not just to create a business listing, right? We need to also focus upon ranking that particular business listing in top of the search result in our locality. So if anybody searches for any keyword related to our business, then our business should appear in the top position. Then only we will get good enquiries, and our particular business would reach to more people. Creating a Google My Business listing is one part, right? And getting it ranked in search engine result is the another part. So we should focus on both of the things, right? Then only we will get good enquiries and a greater reach, right? So now in the upcoming videos we will learn how to create a Google My Business listing and how to rank that particular listing in top of the search results. Apart from that, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.